Hi. Let's learn how to connect Bitfinex exchange in SageMaster. Log in to your Bitfinex account and click Manage Account. Proceed to API Keys and click Create New Key. Set the permissions as shown on screen. Enter a label of your choice for this exchange. Click Generate API Key. Confirm two-factor authentication. Check your email. You will receive link to create API key. Click on Create API Key. API key has been created for you. Now copy API key and paste it to SageMaster. Click on Manage Exchange. Click on Connect Exchange. Select Bitfinex exchange and enter a label of your choice for this exchange. Paste API key and API key secret. Click Connect Exchange. Congratulations! You have connected your exchange to SageMaster.